Hello, Helen. Hi, Steven. How are you today? I'm very well, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thanks. How is Tony? He's fine, thanks. How is Emma? She's very well too, Helen. Goodbye, Helen. Nice to see you. Nice to see you too, Steven.
Lesson 9. Hello, Helen. Hi, Steven. How are you today? I am very well, thank you. And you? I am fine, thanks. How is Tony? He is fine, thanks. How is Emma? How is Emma? She is very well too, Helen. Goodbye, Helen. Nice to meet you. Nice to see you. Nice to see you too, Steven. Goodbye.
Hello, Helen. Hi, Steven. How are you today? I'm very well, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thanks. How's Tony? He's fine, thanks. How's Emma? She's very well too, Helen. Goodbye, Helen. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Nice to see you too, Steven. Goodbye.
Hello, Helen. Hi, Steven. How are you today? I'm very well, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thanks. How is Tony? He's fine, thanks. How is Emma? She is very well too, Helen. Goodbye, Helen. Nice to see you. Nice to see you too, Steven. Goodbye.
Well nagan chaqda cho'qim eg'iz o'tirdan ishkirab ichilsin. Uyg'ur tilida V emas, W nagan chaqda eg'iz o'tirdan ishkanga ichilishi kerak. Well, well. Odatdagi Uyg'ur tilida V emas, well desa yaxshi bo'lmaydi. Well. Goodbye emas, goodbye emas. Goodbye, good. Goodbye, Goodbye emas, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Well nagan chaqda cho'qim eg'iz o'tirdan ikki tarafga ochildi. V deb chiqadi. Uyg'ur tilidagi V bilan o'xshamaydi. Well desam xato bo'ldi. Well, well. O'tirg'i yig'ilib jumla shakliga ikki yang shaqqida ochildi. V deb chiqadi. Well.
Hello, Helen. Hi, Steven. How are you today? I'm very well, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thanks. How is Tony? He's fine, thanks. How is Emma? She is very well too, Helen. Goodbye, Helen. Nice to see you. Nice to see you too, Steven. Goodbye.
Is the new student tall?
Is he new student? Tall?
Is in new student tall?
Is new student tall?
Is your busy?
Is your busy?
Is your busy?
Is your busy?
Are you busy?
Are you busy?
You are busy?
Are you busy? Is your son lazy?
Is your son lazy?
Is your son lazy? You are fine. Are you fine? How are you?
You are fine. Are you fine? How are you?
Are fine. Are you fine? How are you?
You are fine. Are you fine? How are you?
Your is a teacher. How are you?
Is your teacher?
How is your teacher?
How is your teacher?
How are you?
Your is our teacher. How is your teacher?
Your teacher is fine. Is your teacher fine? How is your teacher?
Your teacher is fine. Is your teacher fine? How is your teacher?
Your teacher is fine. Is your teacher fine? How is your teacher? How are you, Alamjan?
How is Alamjan?
How's Alamjan?
How is Alimjan?
How is Alamjan?
My job is very busy. That in busy.
Job is very busy. They are very clean.
My is worker very busy. They're very clean.
They are very hardworking.
My job's in busy. That in busy.
My job is very busy. They are they are hardworking.
My job's in busy and that in hardworking. My employees are busy. They are very hardworking.
Employees are busy. They are very hardworking.
Busy, busy. Busy degan busy deb o'qimanglar. Busy.
My employees are busy. They are very hardworking.
My daughter very clean.
Daughter is very clean.
My daughter very clean. My is daughter very clean.
My is daughter clean.
My daughter is very clean.
My is daughter very clean. My daughter is very clean.
My daughter is very clean. Very clean.
She is cold.
She is cold.
She is cold.
She is cold.
Yours is hot.
Are you hot?
Hot? Are you hot?
Are you hot?
Are you hot?
Is your teacher busy?
Is your teacher busy?
Is your teacher busy?
Is your teacher busy?
Is your teacher busy? Is your teacher busy? Hem bu yerda demoqchi o'g'limiz your teacher garchi qarasanglar your kelgan bilan lekin uchinchi bir odamda tushuna qo'shinglarga is keldi. Is your teacher busy? Ya'ni o'qituvchingiz aldirashmi degan gap.
How is your new job?
How is your new job?
How is your new job?
New job.
Your new job is well. Is your new job well? How is your new job?
Your new job is well. Is your new job well? How is your new job?
Kelish manbasi qanday? Yani your new job is well. Your new job is well. Senin yangi xizmating yaxshi. Izni oldiga chiqarsak savolga aylantirib, is your new job well? Yani seninki yangi xizmating bo'lsa yaxshimi? Endi alayhi so'roq so'zi how ni oldiga qo'ysak bo'ladi. How's your new job? How's your new job? Sening yangi xizmating qanday?
Your new job is well. Is your new job well? How is your new job?
Your new job is well. Is your new job well? How's your new job?
He is tall.
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 The office is very dirty.
This office very dirty. This office is very dirty.
The office is very dirty.
The office very dirty.
The office is very dirty.
Time degan, and time degan nim gap yaqinqi zamonda degan gapmi?
Anytime deganga bir rahmat degan chaqda voy chiqish yo'q bo'lsa u qish tegishli kishi yoki bo'lmasa voy chiqish yo'q o'sha qishli bu deb aqsaraq javob beramiz qo'y shuna vaqtida anytime deb qo'yamiz. Har qanday vaqtda xizmatingiz tayyorman degandek bir ma'no chiqadi. Normal dashlar deb qo'yamiz hamda ilqi. Rahmat sizga anytime deymiz. Qanday vaqtda ishdan tush desam bo'ldi chaqsa cho'g'ish emas degan gap hisobda. Aqsaraq javob berish.
Undasi aqsaraq arzmaydi deganga yaqin ekanda. Bo'ldi, yaxshi o'rganib oldik.